Yo, what it is, mi gente? Esteban Urban Botanica Inc. And today I'm gonna be putting y'all on to my immune boosting shot. Not really a shot, it's a drink because it makes about 16 ounces. 1 cup, enough for 2 people. So let's get to it. First, I start off with honey. Honey is you got to get a high quality honey. High quality means wholesome, raw, specially harvested, pure, unpasteurized, unfiltered. Honey has important antioxidants. You know, these antioxidants have been linked to reduce heart attacks and strokes and some type of cancers. You know, and just think about it, man. Honey is better than white sugar. Nobody should be having sugar in their house at all. We can process this. We can process honey more easily than sugar, white sugar. Pineapple. Pineapple, put as much as you want. It's another sweetener. Pineapple, as we all know, is rich in vitamin C and manganese. And it contains compounds that reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. Lemon. Put a half of a lemon with the peel. Wash the peel, put the lemon in there. Lemon is also high in vitamin C and soluble fiber, and it may reduce heart disease and stroke, and it actually has plant compounds that have been found to lower cholesterol. Ginger. Put a thumb-sized piece of fresh ginger, peel it, put it in the drink. I use it. It aids in digestion, and it reduces nausea, and it also helps fight the flu and common cold symptoms. Right over here, I have fresh plants of mint. Mint, I put about 3 to 5 to maybe even 7. You know, mint is antimicrobial. It boosts your immune system, and it takes care of your oral health, specifically bad breath. I don't have bad breath, but I like the taste of mint. So those that do, I'm saying walk around with a couple of leaves up under your tongue daily if you want to. It's not gonna hurt. Here, I have coconut oil. I put about a nice tablespoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil has healthy fatty acids. They boost your heart health, and they raise good HDL cholesterol levels. They also contain MCTs. MCTs are medium chain triglycerides, and these go straight to the liver. Your body uses these as a quick source of energy, or it turns them into ketones. Ketones have been linked to increasing brain power. Man, we all gonna love this one. This one is called Maca Powder. Maca, it has a nutty flavor, and I put about a heaping teaspoon. Why? Because it increases the libido of men and women. Yeah, it is rich in a number of nutrients, including vitamin C, copper, and iron. So yeah, Maca Powder. This right here, this is a mixture of maca, moringa, wheatgrass, and barley. It's a mixture that I purchased. I'll have the description of all of these, but you can also do your own research. You know what I'm saying? But it's a superfood mix. I put about 2 teaspoons of this in it, and cayenne pepper. I put about 1/8 of a teaspoon or 1/4 teaspoon, depending upon the spice level, whatever type of spice level that you can handle. But cayenne pepper it boosts your metabolism, and it also aids in digestive health. So that about takes care of all the ingredients in this drink. And as you know, all of these aid in digestive health. You know, the stomach, the colon, we are what we eat, and vitamin C. They're kind of all rich in vitamin C. So a combination of this, I'm saying it'll do you good for everything that's going on out here today. So you know what it is. All right, moving along to the mixture. gonna give it to you. He gonna give it to you. X gonna give it to you. He gonna give it to you. Yeah, I'm losing leaves quick, man. I'm pulling them from the top though. These plants don't last that long. I'm starting to find that out. I'm gonna have to start planting these in the garden. Give them a little rinse. Oh, it's ice. We want it to be cold. And you're gonna probably see in all my videos, man, this is purified water, but it's structured. I'm saying that's a whole nother level of water drinking. That's what I'm on, but put purified water. The amount, it depends on what type of consistency you can handle. All right. Give this a whirl. All right, here we go with the pour. All right, here we go, man. I'm saying 8 and 8. Share this drink with a loved one. But if you can, try to get this in your daily. Oh, yeah. Yeah, just right. It got that spice to it. And, you know, mask off now. We don't know what's going on, but you should know what's going on with your own health. You are your first physician. What I'm an advocate of is I see the doctor maybe once a year, and I see myself every day. So I know what's happening with myself better than the doctor does. The doctor, when I sit on the table, this is me, right? I'm at the table, he goes like this, and he looks at that chart. Come on, man. Start using raw foods, raw ingredients. And this is taking me any and everywhere I gotta go, man. I've been traveling for real. Like, and I'm not even gonna say vaccinated or unvaccinated. I am pro-choice. I'm about making a choice because this is my body, my temple. I'm saying out. I'm saying peace, love, blessings. I love y'all, man. Get this immune system boosting shot in your body. 1.